Okay, we're out here. This is Tim Hortons, and hey, we thought we were going to get rained out here tonight, but it stopped raining and it's actually looking pretty good out here. Well, at least for a couple hours anyways. So just to show you who's out here, we've got a red 68 Mustang in here. We've got the ZL1 in here and another ZL1. We've got some pickup trucks, some tuners out here, actually quite a few tuners out here. This whole lot over in here is full of tuners, and we're having a bit of fun. Oh, there's a nice SS truck that are driving by. So all in all, it's not a bad night considering it's raining. So that's what's happening here Friday night over at Tim Hortons on Gateway. Okay, this is it. The venerable ZL1 is out here at Tim Hortons, but guess what? We've got some competition that just pulled up here. We've got Lambo number 1, and wow, all the people are kind of hanging around there. We've got Lambo number 2 over there. Check that out. And it's pop that hood time. Oh no, it's not pop that hood time, it's pop that door time. Look at that door. He's getting out there and he's getting ready to go. And these guys are out here. It's a little bit of a rainy night out here tonight, but the Lambo crowd, the supercars are out here today, and there's the passenger. She's putting her hand over her face because she doesn't want to be in the video. There you go. You got big bucks. There you go. They're grabbing one of these, and look, it's a rainy night out here. They're pretty quiet cars though. They wouldn't get caught in that decibel level meter thing there. But there you go. They're taking off. I propositioned them to a race, but they declined. They didn't want to go for it. So much for going to Mexico tonight. We'll have to just stay it out here at Tim Hortons. Okay, here's that dB meter reading here, and let's see what we can do. We're in the car. Yeah, get the camera pointing at the meter, a little bit more to the right. Okay, ready? Here we go. There you can see it's reading 62 dB. We're going to rev it here. 80 dB. I saw 80 dB there.
Caution, speed trap ahead.
Okay. Bad place to have a speed trap. But there you go, 80 dB is all they got on me, and I was revving it pretty good there. So I don't think I'm going to get a ticket because they give out tickets over 85 dB. So there you go. See you later.